and a happy Mother's Day to everybody that is a mother, a grandmother, an aunt, everybody that has anything to do with your family in this respect. Happy Mother's Day to you. This is my mother. This is when she was 90 years old. She lived to be much older than that. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I miss you so much every day. May you rest in peace. Now, let's check out the weather. Now we're looking at the NAM 12K, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. Now this is for today, and it's going to run through Tuesday. Now, before it's all over, I want you to pay close attention up into New York, New Hampshire, Vermont, and portions of Maine area, maybe a little in Massachusetts. You could be getting some snow, it's looking like. Now, no, not a big snowstorm, not a big snow out. But the possibility of snow is coming up, and we've got these storms that are going to trail on through and off the coast that may bring some severe weather up into these areas of Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Alabama, Georgia, right here, Alabama, and all the way down to Louisiana. So I'm going to turn it on, tell you all about what is happening. Folks, we got a quasi-stationary front. It extends from the mid-Atlantic roughly southward to the central Gulf Coast. Now, it's going to slowly begin to move eastward to the mid-Atlantic and southeast coast by Monday morning, as additional upper-level energy over the middle Mississippi Valley moves eastward. Now, the boundary will move off most of the mid-Atlantic and southeast coast by tomorrow evening, while it lingers over Florida. Now, showers and thunderstorms will develop along and ahead of the front from parts of the southern mid-Atlantic to the central Gulf Coast. Now, that will move off the southern mid-Atlantic and the southeast coast overnight tonight into tomorrow. Showers and thunderstorms are going to linger along the eastern Gulf Coast and parts of Florida through Tuesday morning, and rain will also develop over parts of the lower Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, into the northern mid-Atlantic and parts of the northeast. Now, we've got an upper level energy over the middle Mississippi Valley. It should move to the northeast while strengthening by Tuesday. Now, as this energy strengthens, rain will develop over parts of the Great Lakes and to the Ohio Valley today. Now, the rain will continue over the Great Lakes into the northeast through late tomorrow night, when the rain should end over the upper Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley. The rain will continue over parts of the lower Great Lakes to the northeast through Tuesday. And in addition, now listen, this is about the snow. Snow will develop over some of the highest elevations of northern New England over Monday into Tuesday morning. So this is Monday night into Tuesday morning. You guys, and you can see it, the blue up there, should get some snow. Now, the energy will also produce rain over parts of the middle Mississippi Valley and central plains today. That's going to expand into parts of the upper Mississippi Valley, northern plains by tonight. Overnight tonight, the rain will end over the upper middle Mississippi Valley and northern central plains. And additionally, we have weak upper level energy, and it's going to aid in producing light rain over parts of the upper Mississippi Valley tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. Meanwhile, we got another area of upper level energy over the northwestern sections of Mexico. Now, it's going to move eastward to Texas while weakening by Tuesday. That's a good thing. Now, as the energy moves eastward, moisture from the western Gulf of Mexico is going to flow northwestward into western Texas. Now, this is a bad thing. The energy is going to trigger showers and thunderstorms over the southwest Mexican border that will expand northward into the southwest and into parts of the southern Rockies tonight and maybe late this afternoon. Now, the showers and thunderstorms will move into western Texas and expand into the western Gulf Coast by tomorrow night into Tuesday. Elsewhere, we got a weak front. It's going to move into parts of the northern high plains tomorrow, and that will move eastward into the northern plains, upper Mississippi Valley by Tuesday. Now, this system will produce rain with embedded thunderstorms overnight tonight over parts of the northern Rockies, northern high plains, that will expand into the central Rockies and the northern central plains overnight tomorrow. And here we have the map for the severe weather outlook for today, Sunday, of course, May the 12th, 2019, on Mother's Day. You see where the slight and the marginal risk are, and all of this together, folks, with the scattered severe storms and severe winds. Where are they possible from today? Well, they're possible from eastern Alabama to the Carolinas. Now, other marginally severe thunderstorms are possible across the southern high plains this afternoon. Where is the greatest chance of a tornado happening? And that's only at 2%. Well, that's, believe it or not, is in this marginal area right here. In that marginal area right there. Let me circle that for you instead of just do that. Where this darker green is, that's a 2% chance of a tornado in that darker green today. Severe winds. Where are the severe winds? Let me put a T up here so you'll see. That's for tornado. Only at 2% though, okay? Looking like the winds anywhere from the dark green to the yellow, clipping down around the Florida Panhandle, all the way down to the Louisiana coast. 15%. 15% chance of severe winds today. 15% chance of severe winds. And of course, that goes for this area also right in here. So both of this is for the winds picking up and gusting. I've checked some of the winds, especially around where I live right here on the water. I want to know. And from the Piedmont down around Concord, all the way up into, like, say, Virginia Beach, Suffolk areas up in here in Virginia, and the whole entire eastern coast of North Carolina, South Carolina, a lot of South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, and the Panhandle. We could see some 30, 40, possibly 45 mile per hour wind gusts if one of these severe storms is where you're at. Now, if a severe storm don't pop up, of course you're not going to have these winds. But that's what it's looking like right now. And of course, as the day goes on and the heat builds up and the atmospheric conditions change, this map could change some. I don't think it's going to change a lot, but I think the percentage-wise things can go up or down. We'll have to wait and see. Hail is another factor. Hail is another factor. Same thing that I've got outlined here and over here is for hail. Hail. 15% chance. The hail just won't stop, folks. Looking like hail in these areas that I have outlined here. But of course now, remember, just because I outlined those, anywhere you see green, you got a chance of a thunderstorm popping up. It doesn't matter if you're in this darker green or yellow. This goes all the way up into Iowa and all the way across to the entire southern half of New Jersey and through all of Florida, through the Keys. If you have a thunderstorm pop up, please keep an eye on your skies. With the conditions the way that they are, a tornado could happen. And that's a check of your weather today on Mother's Day. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so very much. Please share this information with your family and friends and on your social media to help me keep people safe. That's my main concern. Let people know what might happen. Not saying it's going to. There's a good chance of it that it could. We just need to keep everybody aware and safe. And I thank you and appreciate it so much when you guys share and do this for me. Yes, I had someone congratulate me on 20,000 subscribers, but I see this morning YouTube's took 4 of them away from me. That's what happens. I can never get there. I'm going to have to get to at least probably 21,000 before they stop that. You know, it's like when you first start out and you get 300 subscribers. It's so hard to make them stick. Well, that 20,000 mark's the same way. So anyone that would like to subscribe and know about the weather, please do so. I would appreciate it so very much. And don't forget to click the bell. Also, don't forget to click Show More below the video. You'll find a place if you'd like to send me some weather pictures. You'll find my email address and you can send them there. Just click Show More and scroll down. Also, if you'd like to join the Facebook weather group that I have, that link is there also. I love you guys. Peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching.